So guys, something a bit different today. I'm up at Medlock Valley, Hartshead Pike. You can't even actually see the pikes, it's that misty. I'm in the truck, the uplift rig, so I thought I'm going to take you guys along for the ride, and we're going to go along this green lane. This is steep, this thing. Does it no justice video, but yeah, I'm going to take you along for a little drive down the green lane on here and go down the off-road track. Catch you out there. Let's go. Steep here now, people. Rocky. As normal with anything, this is way steeper than it looks on video, I bet. Get those Goodrich tyres working. No problem. No problem whatsoever. the big puddles that we was just going through on the way up. Had a nice little angler then, put the GoPro on the little side steps. So it's quite close to the puddles obviously. Hopefully it'll look good on camera. This is, I hope you could hear me then over the heaters. It's quite cold today, very misty, very. Something a little bit different. This is the same day that I filmed the Lee Quarry video, so it's just a little bit later in the day. Dropped our Harry off, his girlfriend's. She lives not too far from Hartshead Pike, so I thought, yeah, we'll take the GoPro and we'll have a little trip over the green lane. It'll something different for a change. So, hope you guys enjoyed that little trip over Hartshead Pike in the uplift rig. Something a bit different today, but yeah, catch you guys on the next ride. See you out there.